Alright, good morning friends. This is the Cy the Wielder here. We're about a day and a half out of the bomb cyclone that you probably heard about. We had 100-mile-an-hour winds here. The snow was blowing so fast you couldn't see very far at all. We call it a whiteout. You all know what that is. The power went out, which means the well stopped working. And because the well stopped working, the water stopped flowing through our hoses to the trailer here and froze. And that means we're still waiting for those lines to thaw out so that we can get back to normal here in the rock and roll residence here. Trisha's a trooper. She's come and helped me. We had to bring the chickens in to the house. We put it in a big, put all 8 of them in a big canine kennel, for a large dog, and they stayed in here overnight. They were nice to each other, and but Trisha and I worked out in the chicken pen to get the snow, which turned into a snow trap, out of there so we could put the chickens back in there. So things are straightening out. Want you to know that these kinds of events are going to become more frequent and they're going to become more intense. I told you back when Fukushima melted down and started dumping radiation into the Pacific Ocean, that the same action that made water hot inside the reactor was going to make water hot in the ocean. Water expands 1,700 times when it turns into vapor. So that means there's a huge amount of expansion of saturated atmosphere over the ocean, and when it gets over land and starts to cool, it shrinks. Its strength shrinks to 1/1700th of the size it had before. That means you got some wild winds that come with it. Now, Fukushima has not been stopped. It's still adding radiation. In other words, it's still adding heat to the Pacific Ocean. And these crazy winds and the crazy weather that we get, it's not going to stop. Probably need to think about moving underground. Get out of the way of the winds and the storms. Build underground. I'm trying to figure out ways to build underground using some rotating forms that are sort of round around the edges, so I can build concrete walls underground and just keep boring a round tunnel, maybe 6 or 7 feet in diameter, underground, so that we can dodge the things that are coming upon the earth. The Bible tells us that the sun's going to get crazy and the darkness is going to get crazy. There's a lot of things that are coming on the earth that we need to prepare for. And when the time is right, the righteous will come out of their holes and possess the land. Cy the Wielder signing off. Bye-bye.